Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share my experience with Usha sewing machine. Model is Allure. So friends, first I will tell you how to use this machine. So let's start. First I will connect this wire with machine and switch on. Now our machine is ready for use. In this machine, we can stitch 21 designs. First, I will open this toolbox. This machine provided some useful accessories like zipper foot, transparent button hook, rod hamper, dialing pad, bobbin, needle, swing ripper, and thread. This circle is for circular stitch like blouse, pant and circle design like this. If the thread stuck, it will be only in this area. That's why we have to clean this part always. This part will be separated in this machine. We have to put oil only in this part. For excessive use of this machine, it's need oiling frequently, and if you are using occasionally, then apply oil on a need basis. The best part of this machine, it never get rusted. Post oiling, assemble the parts like this. And place it like this. So we have to always use bobbin made of plastic. How to wind bobbin? So different brand may use slightly different. First I am taking any color of spool of thread. Then place the seam into the spool pin. Now pull the one end of the thread and pass it like this and rotate it 2 or 3 times with bobbin like this. Then pull hand wheel and press foot controller. Fill bobbin as per your need. And this bobbin content collect thread approx 40 to 41 meters. Now I am placing bobbin into the bobbin case. Now this part work is complete, so I am closing the toolbox like this. In this machine there are 2 dialers. First one is called selector and second one is length. Function of selector, we can choose design as per your need, and for the stitching length we can use this dial. It's called length. So first I am putting cloth and then start. Now I am showing you normal stitch. So design instruction is mentioned in this panel in black and red color, and use the desired design by setting the number with selector. Normally we set length knob at 2 to 3 number. If I keep at A, it will come normal stitch. If I keep C, then zigzag design. If you want to increase the length, then set the length knob at 3 to 4 number. So you can make any design as per your selection. This is reverse stitch button. By using this button, the stitching will be in the reverse pattern. Now I am showing you my thread box. And next, different colors of thread. This is warranty card for 2 years. I am using this machine for past 9 to 10 years. I am not a frequent user. The best part of this machine is it has zero maintenance and the condition is always good, and machine is portable so we can keep anywhere, and it takes very less space. Being a consumer, I am very happy for this product and will rate 5 out of 5. If you are planning to buy, then close your eyes and buy its value for money. Thank you.